早餐食剩嘅西瓜啦、牛肉、蘋果醋、雞蛋、雞胸三文魚菜，勁豐盛喎！我依家已經去到沙灘啦，我就諗住喺度曬下太陽啦，跟住咧影下相，之後就瞓覺。嗰度咧就好多人衝浪嘅，但係我唔識衝浪，所以就算數啦。依家咧係時間點半鐘啦，我整好晒啲嘢，得翻幾個鐘時間行街咯，陣間又要翻嚟呢度睇日落。到咗呢個水明洋 Square， 憑住直覺行一行先啦。呢嚿假奶龍要30萬，黐咗線啊！啱啦，真係唔見咗嗰磁環。呢個髮鏡好似幾 Q， 最中意呢啲咧，條腰圍有啲鬆鬆地。呢條都好靚啊！香港好似着出去有少少怪咯，但係去旅行着真係一流。佢呢個位整得勁靚咯。呢位又好收手。啲眼卡換咗件衫，呢件衫係啱啱喺 H&M 買嘅，同我條裙一樣色。有少少柒啊！呢一身 outfit， 估唔到係可以成功買咗兩條裙咯，一條連身裙，一條半身裙，價錢上都係250到350咁樣，所以都唔算話太貴，幾開心呢一。繼續。呢個人真係想講下，無啦啦走過嚟拎我部電話咧，就一齊影咗張相，跟住介紹咗佢一個識講中文嘅鬼仔 friend 俾我咧，跟住佢個 friend 咧加咗我 IG， 勁冇禮貌咯，講埋啲變態嘢咯，真係人不可貌相。去邊度咧？我本身係以為自己係聽日先退房，最尾一日就去Wubo啦。今日有信息彈出嚟啊，我先睇到，哦，原來我間房係淨係 book 到今日嘅啫喎，我真係好大頭蝦咯。我係最尾一晚冇 book 到房咯，我唔記得咗我嘅一貫作風啦，我係好興最尾一晚唔 book 房，跟住到時再諗諗點㗎。我竟然可以咁唔了解自己，真係太過分啦，搞到勁狼狽啦，之後嗱聲執行李走啊！今日咧諗住去揾一個 friend 啦，佢都啱啱好係住喺Wubo嘅，咁就係我呢幾日識嘅其中一個人嚟嘅。我今日會出嚟 hang out 一下啦，啱啱好我依家去Wubo，咁我哋就喺Wubo再見。去到放低個喼先，跟住就去咗做 gym 先咯，同埋我要 book 埋聽晚個酒店咯，搞錯真係。旅行就係要咁先好玩㗎嘛。我呢度嘅收音唔好啊！嗰時講緊呢，因為差唔多到目的地，我先發現，哇！原來我 book 嗰個地方係離市區超遠啦，差唔多半個鐘40幾分鐘車程。咁我一個人住嗰度住一晚，就出去做 gym 食嘢好唔方便咁樣，同埋好恐怖咯。荒山野嶺，我自己去旅行係真係個懵丙嚟㗎，因為我係見佢靚平咧我就 book 㗎啦，我唔做資料搜集嘅，所以依家就蠢咗啦。Oh my god! It's really too far to go to Central 。好靚，但係好鬼遠。你哋睇下，我自己住呢度，我自己真係要住呢度，好撚靚啊！好靚啊！呢度仲有得淋浴啦。跟住咧，但係今日天氣唔係咁好，若天氣好咧，一定好撚正咯。跟住我可以坐喺度做一個八婆啦。咁呢度咧就係一個廚房嚟嘅，個廚房就唔係咁靚咯。跟住咧，我仲可以喺呢度瞓覺啦。跟住咧可以喺呢度放衫咯。哇，好靚啊！呢度真係屌！如果我未來有男朋友，咁未來先算啦。哇，浴缸勁靚咯！我中意呢度啊，好靚啊！我喺呢度裸體浸浴都得啊，真係唔係呃你哋，我夠膽死喺呢度影2個鐘相咯。難得可以喺呢種地方咧，仲要得我自己一個人喎，即係我唔使驚friend幫我影太耐定唔知點啦。我依家就想落水超一下，但係唔知會唔會好凍咧？哇，有少少凍。依家出去啦，驚聽日趕唔切咧，所以我就依家去做瑜伽，同埋都要操嘢，因為我琴日冇操嘢嘛。call 咗 Grab， 估唔到都係好快有車喎。勁撚快！哇，靚靚靚！見到咗啦，已經係要睇嘅都睇咗啦，下次唔使再嚟啦。呢個環境十分清幽啊嚇，但係我覺得咧，我係非常之唔適合住喺Wubo呢個地方，因為我係一個好驚蚊嘅人啊！我已經周身痕啦，入到嚟，唔係講笑，真係好痕。點解咁痕嘅？呢度應該係上堂嘅房間。你一停落嚟咧，啲蚊就係咁黐埋嚟咬你，咁你就可以係咁喐嚟喐去減肥咯。 果然係最好嘅瑜伽地方。話時話，今次係我第一次做瑜伽，時間距離開堂仲有半個鐘，我要點算？好痕，我周身都好痕。又識到一個朋友企喺度餵蚊嗰陣時，有 feel 喎呢度。
2,000 years later，
快撚啲走，快撚啲走，係唔知自己做乜嘢。拜！啊！呢個人係啱啱我 call Grab 嘅司機啦，佢自己喺我圓堂嗰時走過嚟揾我，話要車我，都冇嗌佢過嚟車我，嚇死我。跟住reception 同我講咧，我司機喺嗰度等我啦，心諗我幾時有拖車啊？原來係咁啱個司機就翻嚟揾我咯，我唔知係好心定係點，但我覺得有少少恐怖，因為佢突然間彈出嚟，我又有啲唔認得佢個樣。我瞓着咗咯。如果你哋係中意冥想嘅話，可以去，但我係唔中意冥想咯。我入到去嗰個咁正嘅環境咧，幾分鐘我已經想瞓覺咯。無啦啦又俾人截住。No, I don't need that。我個先生無啦啦走過嚟，借咗個尿袋俾我，啱好我又要，跟住佢仲無啦啦幫我俾咗專門錢，可能佢想食咗我。有 feel 喎，完全一個人都冇，完全冇人喎。啱啱嗰個男人嗌我去新來港揾佢，但係你估會唔會去啊？我梗係唔會啦，快啲走！我留低咗個 power bank。放咗喺，好驚啊！唔知點解喺佢哋 reception 嗰度。啊屌，恐怖！This one is my new friend.
Antonio, my name is Antonio, and I'm from Italy, of course.
呢個係 handsome boy. What is the name?
Little Legend.
Little Legend. It is good.
Yeah. The kebab was fine, not that good, but the burger.
The
what
burger
about?
is very good.
Yeah.
Okay, so if 10 of 10.
Right.
Yes, 10 of 10. How?
Okay, I got it. The kebab was like an 7.5.
Burger for 8. Because long time I didn't eat burger, so I love it. 呢一搭我呢個好朋友嘅車，其實我係有少少驚嘅，佢係之前係冇乜點揸過呢個車，所以係有啲驚嘅。
2 hours later，
Meet around 4 p.m.
4 p.m.
Yeah, because we have to go to the sunset, and we need 30 minutes, and the sunset is around 6 p.m.
Then what time you should go to gym? He don't want to gym with me. So
I'm
say
scared.
4 p.m.
I'm just scared because probably she will do the hardest workout ever. She do 1 hour of cardio.
Together.
No, never.
咁聽日先再講啦。
Never.
Close. Close.
Bye.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
I wait until he part because maybe he can cancel it.
哦，好多星星啊！個司機特登揸慢啲俾我睇星星，勁好咯。好乸恐怖啊！住埋啲咩鬼地方？好乸恐怖！呢一時間係凌晨1點鐘，仲喺度翻緊去。I'm scared 啊 ！What the fuck！ 哎呀！真係好鬼恐怖，最後行咗5分鐘先揾到自己屋企喺邊，黐線！好恐怖啊！呢度夜晚，勁乸恐怖咯！勁好太陽啦，所以換咗套泳衣咧，搽啲太陽油，游下水，跟住上面食個早餐。咁呢一個就係佢今日嘅早餐啦。咁佢有得揀嘅，可能幾個 set 俾你揀咁樣。好食啊，好清嘅味咯。好醒神啊！ 我第一次嚟印尼食佢哋嘅水果撈咯，印尼嘅水果撈勁出名。好啦，依家整好晒啲嘢啦，咁準備要走啦，拜拜。Hello， 我依家 check in 咗間新酒店啦，就喺 Central 嘅中心位。咁我依家等緊我個 friend 過嚟，幾唔錯喎，200幾蚊一晚嘅酒店。呢度有馬騮仔啊！喺間酒店入邊㗎，好得意啊！唔使去馬騮山啊，講抵啊！呢間酒店。啱啱個泳池都唔錯，間房勁大啦，之後雪櫃啊呢啲都有，即係冇話特別靚咯。但係出面有馬騮，好得意。廁所都大嘅，但係有少少味咯。唔錯唔錯，重點係有呢個大塊啲嘅鏡啦，但我可以照鏡咯。得啦，我個 friend 到咗啦。Hi。跟我的鏡頭打個招呼吧。然後這是我前幾天認識的新朋友，他叫安東尼。安東尼。
What's your name？ 阿良。
It's the Chinese name。我們去健身咯。
你在哪個健身房？滴滴巴圖。
滴滴巴圖。啊，他好像是叫 TITI 巴圖。你也要去啊？
因為我也是陳雅哥哥，咱看不出來。
哦，我哋好朋友啊，
我記一下，
交換信息。
然後我看一下後面怎麼。
嚟到呢個TT， 我又唔識讀。呢個係聽聞係烏布最好嘅 gym 啦，所以依家咧就開箱一下。係，好慘啊！呢間又要310K， 完全係唔掂啊！已經做完啦，我俾佢4分。Amazing, right?
Yeah.
Wow, amazing. You should move. 哇，你睇下，因為咧呢度全部都係 What is the English name?
Volcano.
Matters.
Metal.
有呢個食。Thank you。覺得好好食。我買咗嗰啲11包11。依家喺邊啊 ？Where it is?
Let's go to eat something good.
We order for free food, right?
Yeah, 3 dishes.
And he told me here is the best one.
I think so. Let's see. I
You're so
sweating.
Yes.
Yeah, because
it's really hot.
yeah, it's really hot. Prawn with vegetables.
Okay, then what is this?
This is tempeh, tempeh goreng. This
Is this rice?
no, it's soy. Your boys, your
Here.
guys. This is tempeh.
Tempeh. This one is tempeh.
Tempeh.
呢個咧，我覺得係
This one also is good, but it's spicy.
Oh, it is egg inside here, right?
Also egg, yeah.
即係佢係蛋撈。
Soy and egg.
I think this is rice.
No,
Yes, this is rice. You see?
you don't trust me.
好奇怪啊
4 out of 10.
because I don't know what is this.
Okay.
Oh, then did you have the fried rice?
They are making it. Sure, but it's fine. This is rice with prawn. This is prawn. Have a good dinner, boys.
Have a good dinner.
I'm Italian and I say buon appetito.
Buon appetito.
Buon appetito.
It is have a good dinner.
Yeah.
In Chinese will be 開飯啦。
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 可以分啊。
如果呢個要俾分嘅話咧，我會俾8分或者9分。嗱，我俾8分咧係因為咧呢個嘢食同我媽咪煮嗰啲好似咯，即係家常菜咁樣，但係好撈飯食就好好食咯。但係如果我俾9分咧，係因為如果唔係住開香港嗰啲咧，我覺得呢個係好食嘅，撈飯就好食咯。
I think it's the same.
You know what I'm saying? Same for what? 等我哋第3個送嚟嗰時再講啦。哇！呢個係印尼炒飯啊
Nasi goreng.
！Nasi goreng。
Indonesian name. Nasi goreng.
睇下我個客，好眼瞓啊！依家咧時間係6點鐘啦，已經係到咗機場執好嘢，跟住準備 check in 啦。之後我就會翻香港，翻到香港攞完人 luggage 之後咧，我就要開工咯。之後我要去影相，真係勁攰啦。好啦，咁就今次嘅巴黎之旅就到呢度。最尾嗰2日我就少咗拍片嘅，一嚟啦，我有 friend 喺嗰度啦，同埋就唔想係咁揸住部機係咁做嘢，我電話係咁冇電咯，因為我用電話拍片。係咁啦，咁希望大家都中意呢啲旅行片啦。雖然我真係拍片拍得好撚廢，記得 like、share 同埋訂閱我啦。我哋下條片再見，拜拜。